Alright, my blighted minions. Go on! Kill the survivors! All survivors will die! All survivors will die! Run! Retreat! I repeat, retreat! There's too many of them! What the heck has happened to our world? I don't know. Just be thankful that I saved you. If it wasn't for me, there would have been no LEGO creations left. Yeah, right. I don't care about you. You're just a knockoff Wreck-A-Crod. Hello, I am Chaos Storm, the elite Titan. And guess what? I am Brickmaster's second in command. What? Yes, I am second in command. Even though I'm not officially a member of the Defender 6, I'm at least the one that's been given the opportunity to command you guys. Yeah, so what? There's nothing we can do. When come on, we're screwed. Yes, so what? Without the breaker, we're done for. Not if we're going to defeat the Acclamation, I think we need the breaker's help. Besides, where's Brickmaster? Oh, Brickmaster, where the heck did you go? So many. Why am I stalking them? Why? Why can't I control my body? This can't be. It sucks that I'm infected. Even though my core block isn't infected, I have to try and fight this somehow. No. Screw this trash, we're out. No. No, no, no. You're not making us fight that arm. No. This is not good. I've never seen the elites get scared before. Yeah, you're right, Dark Brick. The elites have never been scared. What's worse is the dismantled ones. The dismantled ones can't feel fear. Why are they scared? I thought fear didn't exist here. Claire? What, Dark Brick? I think that was the Acclamation's plan all along. To introduce fear to our world. He wants to control us. Come to think of it, he's like a corrupt government. Yeah, shut up. There's no government here. Besides, where's Brick? Yeah, I don't know. What have I done? What have I done? This was not in the cards for me at all. So what, King Chaos? You helped in this. Well, the Acclamation promised me a new, bigger, and stronger body. But he lied. He always lies to get people to do his bidding. I learned that the hard way. Good to know. Let's not listen to his tricks. I shall return one day. But this only makes me angry. You know what I say? The Ender's Blade shall return.